The current recession in the United States has been a major topic of concern in recent years. While there are many factors that have contributed to this economic downturn, one that stands out is globalization. In this essay, we will explore why globalization is partially to blame for the current recession in the United States. Globalization, which refers to the interconnectedness of the world's economies, has been a driving force in the growth of international trade over the past few decades. However, the benefits of globalization have not been evenly distributed, and many people have been left behind in the process. The rise of global competition has led to the displacement of workers in traditional industries such as manufacturing, as jobs are outsourced to countries with lower labor costs. One of the major ways in which globalization has contributed to the current recession in the United States is through the loss of manufacturing jobs. Many U.S. companies have moved their production facilities overseas to take advantage of cheaper labor costs, resulting in the loss of millions of jobs in the manufacturing sector. This has had a significant impact on the U.S. economy, as the manufacturing industry has traditionally been a major contributor to economic growth. The outsourcing of jobs has also led to a decline in wages for many American workers. As companies seek to cut costs by outsourcing jobs to countries with low labor costs, they are also reducing wages for workers who remain in the U.S. This has resulted in a decline in consumer purchasing power, which in turn has had a negative impact on the U.S. economy. Another way in which globalization has contributed to the current recession in the United States is through the financial sector. The growth of global financial markets has led to increased speculation and risk-taking, which has contributed to the recent financial crisis. The interconnectivity of the global financial system means that financial problems in one country can quickly spread to other countries, as we have seen during the 2008 financial crisis. Globalization has also contributed to the growing income inequality in the United States. While globalization has created opportunities for some Americans, particularly those with advanced degrees and specialized skills, it has also left many others behind. The benefits of globalization have largely gone to the top earners in society, while lower income workers have seen their wages stagnate or decline. While globalization has brought many benefits to the United States, it has also contributed to the current recession. The loss of manufacturing jobs, declining wages, increased financial risk-taking, and growing income inequality are all factors that have contributed to the economic downturn. It is important for policymakers to address these issues and ensure that the benefits of globalization are shared more equitably across society. Only then can we hope to create a more stable and prosperous economy for all Americans.